Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So firstly, let's enter the phone dialer, and it doesn't matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and select the settings. Here we have to tap on the voicemail simply and tap on notifications. As you can see, here we have to tap on advanced, and here we've got sound options, so let's tap on it. And right now we've been transferred to the full list of available defaultly installed sounds from which we can choose, and in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it, listen to it, and then you can decide which option you'd like the most. So if you would like to set, for example, this one as a voicemail notification sound, simply make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, so it means that we successfully changed the sound and your device will use it in order to notify you about the voicemail messages. So actually that's all. This is how to change voicemail notification sound in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.